Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS, James here. How are you today? In the front of our screen now, it actually is the setup that we prepare to get on the roof of this Mercedes motorhome. Okay, so the motorhome comes in with the very small solar panel setup and AGM battery in the past, and another very old and flexible solar sheet attached on the top of the roof panel. And so technically two of them on the roof, but one of them is not fully connected. And right now we actually are working to get in total just more than 1000 watt hour of the King's solar panels on the roof of this Mercedes Sprinter. So you're seeing one of the 200 watt, which is the first one already done, and you can see we already put the legs on, and we will put another second 200 watts, so in total two of the 200 watt, and we got three of the 110 watt here, and we also have three of the 100 watt over here. So in total we have 8 of the solar panel on the roof of this medium size Mercedes motorhome. And what I would like to share is that we already mount all the King's legs on the solar panel, and you can see that each leg will have 2 of the screw on the side and 1 screw at the bottom, which already got the glue cover after it already locked in. So it has 3 screw lock side and bottom. You probably know that the standard leg doesn't have the hole for the screw, so we just make it to lock nicely on the side. And yes, we already have all the legs locked into the panels and ready to put up on the roof of the motorhome. So more than 1000 watt. Technically it is 1030 watt in total, and it can pick a little bit more based on the fact sheet from the manufacturer over here, and we definitely love to see it later on. And if you want to know how we actually control those power, we actually have other 3 solar panel MPPT controller, smart controller, down into the power section to control and harvest all the power from those ones. We put them into 3 groups: 2 of the 200 watt, 3 of the 110 watt, and 3 of the 100 watt. Okay, so 3 group pulling more than 1000 watt hour down to the motorhome and charge into the lithium battery banks. So yes, stay tuned and we will have more. So yeah, I love the look of the 200 watt and 100 watt, the new black ones, but still love the 110 as well. Yep, we will see more, and we'll see in the daytime when it actually is all on the roof. Thank you.